All right, so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to make the UI for the game, just so that I can kind of tell how many bullets I have, because I'm going to use that to interact with everything else. So what I'm going to do is create UI, and we will go ahead and I need to make a couple of things. So I am going to make text, and we will also create UI. I'm going to make a slider. So I have a text and a slider, okay? So the slider here, let's go ahead and work on that. Okay, so there's the text. Where's the slider? I don't even see it. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to hold Alt and Shift and I'm going to click the top left here. Still not seeing it. Not 100% sure what's going on. Let's see. Let's see if I play, if I see it. I don't see my slider. I see new text down there, but I'm not sure what's going on with the slider here. Let's see, scene. Okay, I'm not sure. All right. It's kind of weird. Game. Not 100% sure what's going on there. Let's see. So slider. Let's see. I'm not seeing it anywhere. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's try 300. Nope. Let's try 150. Oh, there it is. It's right there. Okay. So I'm taking my position and I'm gonna bring it down a little, and so we'll say minus 100. Looks good. And then on the X we'll say minus 50. Nope, sorry. Say 50. Good. All right, good. And then the height, width, we're gonna say 150. I think that's fine. And then the height, we're gonna say 50. And I'm gonna take my position on the Y down more, so we'll say minus 150. Okay. I'm gonna open up my slider, and then you'll see that we have a fill area, which is fine. And then we have this handle area, which, let's see, take this and hit delete, because I don't really care that much about it. Take my fill area, I'm gonna open this up, and the fill, and let's see, fill, actually, let's undo that. Handle slide, just Control Z a bunch. Okay, that's a circle. Let's see, slider. Here we go. So we'll take the value. I'm going to go up 100%, and then let's see if I take this out. Does it still? Okay, yeah, I am going to get rid of that. I'm going to take my fill here and let's see, fill area. See, it says left 5. Let's try 20. No, let's try 15. Let's try 10. Let's try 5. Okay. All right, so we'll say 5, and let's see if the slider still works here. Okay, that works good. So basically what I did is I just took my fill area and I did left 5 and right 5. Okay, and that seems to fill it in just fine. What I'm going to do also, though, on my fill here is I'm going to change the color to red, so it looks more like health. I'm going to take my slider here. I'm going to hold Alt and Shift, click up here to the top left, and open this up. I'm going to take my Y position down. Let's see. I'm still not seeing it. It's so weird. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to write health on it. Health. And let's see. It was right here. I don't get it. Scene. Let's see. Health. Alright, move it down. And let's see. Game. Yeah, I think it's just off by a whole bunch. So we'll do this. And move it down a little bit more. And I'm going to say health. I'm going to take the text. So let's do 32. Let's say 24. We're going to make it 24. Make this a little bit bigger for the height so it can support it. We'll pull this back up a touch. I'm going to take the color. That's not what I meant to do. I'm going to take the color and I'll make it white. And then what I'm also going to do is add a component, and I'm going to type in shadow, so you can see shadow. I'm going to add a shadow element to it, and it just adds a little bit of a shadow to it, which is cool. I thought I did 24 for that. For some reason, it's not updating the font size. That looks fine, looks fine. Good, so we'll say that is health. Great, there it is. Let's see, position Y. All right. Okay, health, and then I am going to create another text element. So we'll just go ahead and create UI text, and I am going to hold Alt and Shift, put in the top right. Oh, that explains it. So like, I need to back up. So see, this is actually kind of low. I'm going to take the text and the slider and pull those up here. There we go. And we'll take the slider, I'm going to pull that back down a touch like that. And we will take the height and make it a little bit bigger. Let's say that. And then the width will like that. Whatever. Okay. Now, the text here, I'm going to go ahead and make, what's this text? It's minus 37. So we'll say minus 37. I'm going to go ahead and make this also 24. See, it's still 32. Take the height, make it more. I'll go ahead and make this white. I'll write egg ammo. And I'm going to make this to the right. And let's see, and then we'll position this minus 50. Okay, so egg ammo, and then we're going to go ahead, oops, sorry, boom, and we'll say 5, because that's what it's going to start with, and we'll make this like 300. Okay, that gives it enough room to work, and I'm going to go ahead and also add another component, and we'll just add the shadow to it, so it makes it a little bit easier to read, and there we go. So egg ammo and health. Okay, so now we have those elements to basically work with, that we can make them do what we need them to. All right. Good. So now I can kind of keep track of if I'm getting hit or not and stuff, because I'll actually have them, I'll have these respond to that, which will make it a little bit easier to work with. Okay, so that being said, let's look at our stuff here. So I'm going to open up my scripts, and I am going to go ahead and basically go through each one of these and see. So where's player health script? I think that needs more to it, so that it can interact with the stuff itself. Okay. So what we're going to do is on the top here, I'm going to make a variable that's going to be called health slider. All right, and it's going to be of the type slider. Surprise, and we're going to do a variable called egg text, and it'll be of the type text. Okay, and that's basically going to allow us to interact with those elements. Okay, now what I'm going to do is in the health spot here, I'm going to go ahead and after you take the damage, I'm going to go ahead and say that health slider, okay, dot value is going to be equal to the health, the current health, all right, divided by 100, because the health, the sliders are 0 to 1. So if the total health is 100, it would be this divided by 100 would equal 1, right? So anything, so let's say it's 90 divided by 100 would be, 0.9, and so that would be 90% of that slider. So basically that's how it's going to represent that. Okay, so that is good, and we will also go ahead and do one for the text, or actually we gotta do one for here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag this, and it's gonna be Control-C. So after you add it, again, we're gonna want to update it. So it's just the same thing again, so the health slider dot value, and I need to basically do the same thing for the add egg. So it's going to be egg text, which is what I had made it, dot text, right? So it's that attribute of it, or that property. And then we're gonna go ahead and make it egg. What did I do for what did I call it? Egg ammo. So egg ammo. Boom. Space. And then we're gonna concatenate, and it's gonna be egg count. So that's gonna say how many eggs that we have. I'm gonna take that and we're gonna copy that. I'm gonna put it here as well. All right, and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna save that, and let's see what we get. See if we get some business going on here. Looks okay. All right, so that is currently attached to which controller? Let's see, player health script. Okay, so see health slider and health text, or egg text. So I'm gonna take the where are you? My UI elements. Okay, so the slider is gonna go on the slider, and this text is gonna go on this text. And now, okay, let's see. Alright, so let's see if I can add ammo. Okay, so that added ammo, that's good. But I'm not getting any damage to me right now. He's attacking, which is good, so I'm happy with that. So it added the ammo, but it did not take away the health. Okay, so I gotta look at that. Object not set to a reference. Okay, so it looks like object reference not set to an instance of an object. Take damage. Okay, that's interesting. So player health script 23. So health slider dot value is equal to health. So it's that should have been on there. Let's see. There's slider and there's the slider. Where's the value? There it is. So I don't really get that. Let's see. Okay, okay. Oops. So where are you? First person controller, slider, and slider. So that's totally set up. So I don't know what it's talking about. All right, so I'm gonna check that out real quick.